How to unfreeze your Spaylater in Shopee. So the reason why your Spaylater is freeze in the first place is a few reasons, and one of them could be unpaid bills. So once you are able to pay them promptly, the Spaylater should unfreeze and you'll be able to have access to your Spaylater account. So you see, there isn't really a direct or manual way to actually unfreeze your Spaylater account, but it's more of a procedural way that is caused by maybe unknown actions that was done by the user. Let's say you accidentally bought something and it was on Spaylater. Now, you can also go ahead and check your account status to see if you are fully verified. Now, Shopee may freeze accounts due to violations like excessive cancellations, returns, or misuse of the service. So review any notifications or alerts in Shopee app regarding these violations. You can find them right beside the Me option. The last thing you can do is contact customer support, which is here in the top, the account settings. And in the bottom here, we'll be able to see the support section and then the help center. Here in the help center, we should be able to place or type in and send our issue, which is a frozen Spaylater account. We can specifically search for that one. As you can see here, one of them is, why can't I use my Spaylater account? There you can go ahead and add more details to your issue and information about your account, and customer service should be able to help you. Now, if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.